Hey guys, this is Miss Anderson. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Nearpod if you don't know, you don't remember, or you're just not fully comfortable with it. So once you click on the link that I provided you, which is up here, it will take you to this screen here. All you need to do is put your name in. So mine's already in there. And I need to make this very clear. We need our first and last name. I know it says nickname, but if you put your nickname that I do not know, then I won't be able to give you your credit because I may not know who you are. In the other box, you don't need to put anything. Then you're going to join the session. Here you have the title, 3rd grade math. Alright, and here are our directions. Each day, students can complete their math packets through here. Complete a day at a time. So just like you would do with the hard copy, you would do this with the electronic copy. And it's the same one that they would give you if you picked up the hard copy. And this little button here actually reads for you. So if I click on it, make sure my volume's up. So I'm going to skip through this. You guys can look at it. But I'm going to press play.
Directions. Each day students can complete their math packets.
Okay, simple enough. And then I'll go back through here. So if at any point in time you need help with reading, you can click on that when you see it. Alright, so day 1. So here you have, same thing, like I said. You have a few choices. You can use this little pencil here. This changes how big or how small it is. Keep in mind, we want to make sure that your teacher can read this. You can change the colors. Alright, so if I want to write, I can put, and this is not the answer, but I can put that in there. We have the highlighter tool, which would be good really just for kind of like highlighting. And then you have the text box, which once you click it, you can see that a text box will appear. If I click these crosshairs, that allows me to move it. This allows me to delete it if I no longer want it. This, as you can see, changes the size. And these little dots here control how large or how small I want it. So if I wanted to use just simply the text box, I can put, and then say my answer was 6. Can't really see it, so I make that a little bit, So I might do that. And all I have to do is click, oops, sorry. You click another one or you click out of it. And this becomes really good when you have constructive response. Because then what I can do, my answer is, and then whatever, whatever your answer may be. So like I said, it's really good for your constructed responses or your longer answers. And then even if you just feel more comfortable with all of your answers being like that. Okay? And then if I move on, you can see it does save all your answers, so you don't have to worry about anything getting erased. Now let's say you did mess everything up. This button here, if I click on it, will erase everything. So we're going to say no, because I don't want to erase. Alright, and then you also have this eraser tool, which again, maybe you just messed up one thing and you just want to erase that. This is to put a picture in. We don't need to put any pictures in, so please do not add any in there. Only do the work that you need to do. So we continue through. Same thing, you'll keep working through it. You'll notice here, there's no drawing or anything because there's nothing for you to draw. It's just for you to read. But please make sure you read it because this page does help you to do the next page. And then if I keep going, and these here are your undo and redo buttons. And if I click on here, that's another thing. If you click, that'll go away so that way you can see the rest of this problem. I'm trying to get us to the end. Alright, so now you have your exit ticket. If you go to the next slide, you would simply, and it's going to pop up right away for you. If you're not logged in already, and great thing would be to log into like maybe your Launchpad or Teams or something and then already have your login information. But if you're not logged in already, remember you just use your usual login and password. Okay? So then I would answer it. I'm just going to say, again, not the answer. Say, I don't know. And then don't ever put I don't know as your answer, and then I don't know again. And if you look, it has that same little button, that immersive reader. So it will read the problem out to you. And then I would submit. What I can do next is, so make sure you do hit submit. If you don't hit submit, I will not be able to see it. And then if I minus this down, it'll move on, so then I can go on to the next. So this sometimes might pop up, or it might say just click here to open web page. Just click on it, and again, you might get this sign-in box. Just go ahead and sign in. Alright, and then the last thing you would do is work for 15 minutes on your path in iReady Math. So what we're going to start doing is only your path will be on there. There will not be any assigned lessons. We want you guys to start working more on where you're at on your level. Alright, the last thing that I want to show you is if you open this Open Notes Navigator, it'll take you through all your slides. You can click wherever you left off at. So if we go to day, we're going to be in day 4. So let's say I went through day 4. I did my exit ticket. Now what you'll notice is actually iReady will pop up for you. And you will complete this iReady lesson. There will be nothing to submit, nothing to do. Just go ahead and complete your iReady lesson for the day. Okay, when you're done, you can X out of it. And then lastly, once you get done, completely done for the day, or for the week, I'm sorry, you are done. Alrighty? And you'll see it will say, all done. You've completed all your work for week 3. I hope this helps. Please reach out if you need additional help anytime you are working through Nearpod. Thank you.